In a serene land of rolling meadows, two flocks of sheep lived on adjacent hills, separated by a narrow valley. The sky was clear, and the sun cast a warm glow over the peaceful landscape. The sheep grazed contentedly, but their hearts longed for something more. Among the flocks, there were whispers of curiosity and a yearning for companionship. "They seem so nice over there," one sheep from flock A mused, glancing at the neighboring flock. "Why can't we be friends?" "I wish we could play together," sighed a sheep from flock B, its eyes filled with longing. However, their shepherds were at odds. Each day, they stood on their respective hills, arguing loudly. "Your sheep are not welcome near mine," shouted Shepherd A. "And yours better stay away from ours," retorted Shepherd B. Their voices echoed through the valley, creating a barrier as impenetrable as a stone wall. The sheep watched from afar, their hearts heavy with disappointment. "Why do they fight so much?" one sheep asked. "I don't know," another replied. "We just want to be friends." As the sun dipped below the horizon, painting the sky in hues of orange and pink, the sheep devised a plan. Under the cover of dusk, they would sneak down to the valley to meet in secret. "Let's meet here every night," suggested one sheep. "They can't stop us from being friends." "Yes," agreed another. "We can have our own little gatherings." For a while, their secret meetings brought joy and laughter. But one evening, the shepherds stumbled upon the scene. "What is this? They're mingling!" exclaimed Shepherd A, his face a mix of shock and anger. "This cannot be! They need to be separated!" cried Shepherd B, equally alarmed. But the sheep stood their ground. They formed a united front, their bleats loud and resolute. "We are friends now," they declared. "You can't separate us. We want peace and companionship." The shepherds were taken aback by the sheep's unity. Slowly, their hardened expressions softened. "Maybe we were wrong," admitted Shepherd A. "Yes," agreed Shepherd B, a note of regret in his voice. "Perhaps it's time to let go of our grudges." With newfound understanding, the shepherds shook hands, and the flocks merged into one. The sheep grazed together joyfully, their dream of companionship finally realized. As the sun set over the now united flock, casting a golden hue over the meadow, a sense of peace enveloped the land. The shepherds watched over their flock side by side, having learned a valuable lesson in unity and peace. For in the end, it was love and friendship that truly united them all.